Good afternoon, profitable traders. Welcome to the New York market color session. So good to have each and every one of you around. Apologies for starting really late. Good afternoon, peeps. Don't lie. You are the only trader here for the call today, and every other person that has joined on YouTube. So good to have each and every one of you around for the market color session. This is basically just going to be a recap. And I hope you've been trading your prop accounts. Apologies for that noise. Right. So we'll be rubbing minds together, trading and analyzing the markets today. Well done, well done, well done. You didn't share your the last time you actually told us how much you were waiting to withdraw, but you just went mute this time around. Right. So on the weekly time frame for DXY, starting off with DXY. Starting off with DXY, right? So I've been looking at this point of interest, 107.490. We've been wanting rather, the analysis I've held on my own end. I've been wanting to see price retrace right back into 107.490. And basically that's where I've been looking at. But coming down to the daily time frame, there's quite an anomaly. Price created, or rather formed a double top, and we'll be looking forward to that, peeps, don't lie. Thank you. All right, so we're seeing that price has broken lower, right? And this high is actually lower than the previous high. So all we'll be looking out for are actually sell opportunities on DXY, even on the 4-hour time frame. Looking at the most recent price action, we are not confused as to the direction of the market or what we should be doing in the market. The market is very bullish, direction is the downside, and even on the 1-hour time frame, as seen right here, basically to the downside. So looking out for entries, this is where we may be seeing the DXY trading into before selling off. Right, shoulder at 99.117, sweep to the upside, move to the downside. And once this happens, we see price retrace right back into this left shoulder at 99.117. We will be selling DXY. DXY will be tanking. Next on my list being GBP USD, as seen right here. Right. Weekly time frame, been looking at this point of interest. Our markup is still as it is. Want to see price retrace into 1.24817. And even on the daily time frame, as seen right here, price traded into this high, right? And we may even see some push to the downside, although the most recent price action is actually bullish, as seen right here. So we may see a clear of the high at 1.34350. And coming down to the 4-hour time frame, of course, very bullish, heavily bullish on the 4-hour time frame. And of course, this sell that sold actually just tapped into this left shoulder at 1.3310 now. Shoulder sweep break, return, tap into it, and we're seeing price movement to the upside on 1-hour time frame also. Pretty much the same point of interest, tapped into this left shoulder and we may see GBP USD going bullish. We may see GBP USD being bullish, right? So I'm bullish on GBP USD, right? And you could even use this engulfing on the 15 minutes time frame. This engulfing at the close of this candle, you can, at the close of this bullish candle for me, we can, take the buy of GBP USD. Coming down to Euro USD, let's see what price has for us, what the market is saying. So on the weekly time frame on Euro USD, same thing. We want to see price retrace into one spot 06629. Shoulder sweep break. And once price retraces into this level, let's believe we will be longing Euro USD. But let's see what the daily time frame says. On the daily time frame, you can see that the most recent price action is actually bullish. Price just tapped into this IOFED, which we'll be looking at for a couple of weeks now, and started buying off that level. So we had 2 points of interest. This left shoulder right here at 1.15585 and this IOFED. So price traded above this left shoulder and tapped into this IOFED before reacting to the upside on the 4-hour time frame also. 4-hour time frame is clearly bullish. So if I will be fibbing from point A to point B to see where price is holding off from, price traded into 50% fib level. How do I know if a fib level is holding? When a base is being formed. So a base has been formed here, I know that this level is holding. All I will be looking out for on the much lower time frames, actually entries. Let's see if there be any. On the 5 minutes time frame, I can spot one right here. Shoulder sweep break. Once price returns into this left shoulder at 1.17143, best believe I will be buying Euro USD. Please, if you have questions or if you have contributions, do well to type in chat box. If you have questions, please do not type in chat box. I beg your pardon. If you don't have questions, well, we'll meet tomorrow by 8:30 a.m. Thank you so much, Pips Don't Lie. I'd like to know your real name though, so that I don't keep calling you Pips Don't Lie. And yes, we look forward to your withdrawal for on your prop account. And additionally, registration for the FX Bootcamp training and ATM cash flow training 2026 is currently ongoing. You can just lock in your space, tell someone, lock in your space, and you kick off the year trading the financial markets. And the Falcon 2.0 bot listing service still ongoing. You can also tell your friends, tell your family, tell everybody about it. If there are no questions, and if Pips don't like, doesn't want to tell me his real name, we'll just call it a day and we'll reconvene tomorrow by 8:30 a.m. from Nigerian time, of course. With that being said, thank you for joining. Cheers and God bless.